Zimbabwe government spokesperson Nick Mangwana has confirmed that Zimbabwe is involved in assisting the electoral processes of neighboring Botswana. In a recent statement via social media, Mangwana addressed growing speculations surrounding Zimbabwe's role in regional politics and its influence on leadership tensions in neighboring countries. Sambira mashoko anodatagwa naNick Mangwana vachibvuma mashoko ari alleged anongofamba itagwa nevazvinzi aiwa vari kuinvolviwa mugurigwa kwema-elections imwe nyika dzakaita sena Mozambique naBotswana. Kuti bosubscribe like or turn on the bell icon. TV napanapa muzimbanyora vachiti Mangwana said that Zimbabwe participates in regional elections only under the Southern African Development Community SADC framework or in collaboration with allied political organizations. He emphasized that while Zimbabwe holds significant influence and provides leadership in the region, the notion that the country directly determines electoral outcomes in the region is preposterous. Zimbabwe works with any government democratically elected into office in the region, Mangwana said, suggesting that their involvement is purely in observation or adversary capacities, refuting allegations that Zimbabwe dictates who governs in Botswana or other regional states. In his statement, Mangwana also called on political parties in the region to focus on winning the mandate of their own electorate and to avoid externalizing their failures. He added that Zimbabwe sympathizes with certain parties but stressed that it does not have any dog in the fight. Tomashka muda panapa wakomana vachitaura kuti aiwa vatori neinfluence kune vamwe vanhu vari in the region within SADC vachiti aiwa muSADC group medu aiwa tinotiva involved muma-elections but people they are now concerned nokuda kwokuti the ruling party inozikamwa nekuita ma-fraud elections. Vakuona kuti kune vamwe vanhu mune dzimwe nyika vakuchema-chema vachiti aiwa hatingambowine influence vanhu vakadai vatoziva kuti vanotidiscreditata our vote. Tudze mafunguro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pinda comment section medu, musana subscribe or like and turn on the bell icon.